Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid, and in this tutorial I will show you how to very quickly find a server on the Discord. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Okay, my friends, it is one of the methods which allow you to find servers on Discord. You may here explore millions of Discord bots and servers. You have link in the description to this website. You here have everything server which you need. Here you may search for the top servers, bots in the Discord. Yes, and it is one of the options. The second option is login on your account on the Discord and click here on the down. You here have option, as you can see, explore public servers. We click on this. And here you will be directed to the home, and now you may find server which you need. You here have content like gaming, music, education, science, entertainment, studying groups. Here you may explore communities. You may write, for example, Fortnite. Here have many servers. If you want to join, you click on this. On the app, join official Fortnite server. And that's all, my friends. So I hope that I help you. You may leave like, you may subscribe, follow me in my other tutorials, you may write a comment and tell me it was helpful, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.